Here's a look at my Opolar 1500W ceramic space heater. I've had this heater for a couple of months now and I really like it. I bought this particular heater because it has an adjustable thermostat and will automatically turn off and on based on the temperature settings you set it at. When I first turn it on, I usually put it pretty low, and after a while it'll shut off on its own and then kick back on when the room gets too cold. It has 3 settings over here, including just a fan mode, a low heat, and a high heat. And you can adjust the temperature even more over here. It also has an emergency tip-over switch and will turn itself off if accidentally knocked over. It has a stylish, rugged design that I like, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's capable of heating up a small and medium-sized room nicely.